Surface area, extension 6. The 3D object is a cube with a right cylinder cut out. What expression would you use to represent the surface area of the 3D object? And what is the surface area of the 3D object? We'll start by finding the expression. First, find the surface area of all 6 sides of the cube. One side would be side times side, or side squared, and there's 6 of them, so the expression will be 6 times side squared, plus the surface area of the cylinder. The cylinder cuts through the cube, and the expression for the cylinder would be 2 times pi times radius times height, minus the surface area of the 2 circles, and the 2 circles are 2 holes in the cube. The expression will be 2 times pi times radius squared. Now we'll put all 3 of those expressions together. The expression you would use is 6 times side squared plus 2 times pi times radius times height minus 2 times pi times radius squared. Next, we'll find the surface area of the 3D object. Again, this is our 3D object. We'll start by finding the shapes. We'll take one side of the cube, and one side of a cube is a square with the dimensions of 18 times 18. There's a front, back, left, right, top, and bottom. So there's 6 sides to the cube. Area equals length times width, or area equals side squared. Area equals 18 squared, and 18 squared is 324 centimeters squared. There's 6 sides, so multiply that by 6, and we'll get a total area of 1,944 centimeters squared. Next, we'll use the cylinder. And again, the cylinder cuts through the cube. If we took the cylinder and stood it up, it would look like this. And if we opened it up, the cylinder would look like a rectangle. The distance from here to here is 18 centimeters. So in the cylinder, it would also be 18 centimeters. So when we stand the cylinder up, the height of the cylinder will also be 18 centimeters. Therefore, the height of the rectangle will be 18 centimeters as well. So again, this rectangle represents the cylinder, and there's only one of them. Area equals 2 times pi times radius times height. Area equals 2 times 3.14 times 5 times 18. So the area of the cylinder will be 565.2 centimeters squared, and there's only one. So the total will be 565.2 centimeters squared. When we open up the cylinder, we have a circle here and a circle here. Now these circles represent holes in the cube, here and here. So we'll have to find the area of these circles and subtract. The radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. There's a circle in the front and in the back, so there's 2. Area equals pi times radius squared. Area equals 3.14 times 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. So the area is going to be 78.5 centimeters squared, and there's 2 circles, so multiply that by 2. And we get an area of 157 centimeters squared. Now we'll find the total area. We'll take this and add them together, and we'll subtract the 2 circles. So we have 1,944 plus 565.2 minus 157 will give us a total area of 2,352.2 centimeters squared.